Hello Junior 5. Hello Junior 5. Let's start our revision. Choose. The rectangular prism is a dot-dimensional shape. As we said that rectangular prism is the cuboid and the cuboid is solid, all solids has three dimensions shapes. Number B. Which point lies on y-axis? Y-axis means the y is a number. So I'm going to choose the second choice because the second coordinate, y coordinate is 8. Number C. The decimal of the shaded part equal dots. Here in the pie chart we have shaded, half shaded and so it's will be 0.5. All edges are equal in length in dots. Yes, cube. The volume of cuboid with base area 40 centimeter square and height 3 centimeter is dot centimeter cube. First, we must write the rule of the volume. We have two rules of volume. Volume of cuboid length times width times height, and volume of cuboid equal base area times height. I'm going to choose this rule. Base area here 40 times the height 3, 0, and 12. So I'm going to choose 120 and if of course it's centimeter cube. Number F, 5 and 4 over 8 equal 5 and dots over 2. Here we have the same whole number and the fraction 4 over 8 equal dots over 2. We must simplify the fraction. Divided 4 up and divided 4 down. So 8 divided 4 equal 2 and 4 divided 4 equal 1. I'm going to choose number G. The volume of cuboid is 24 centimeter cube. Length equal 4, width equal 3 centimeter, then height equal dots. I can write the rule like this in a triangle. Here, volume and length, width and height. Okay, we want the height. Height equal volume over length times width. So I'm going to write 24 as numerator and 4 times 3 means 24 over 12 equal 2 of course. So it's 2 centimeter. Number H, length of cuboid equal dots. The same rule, length of cuboid here equal volume over width times height. I'm going to choose this one. 3 over 8 equal x over 40. Then x equal dots. If we look at the denominator, 8 become 40. It became bigger, so it's times. Times up, times down. 8 times dots equal 40. 8 times 5. So I'm going to multiply 3 by 5. 3 times 5 equal 15, and I'm going to choose 15. Triangle with side lengths are dots is an isosceles triangle. As we said, isosceles triangle, it has two equal sides and two equal angles. So I'm going to choose the second choice. In the opposite pie chart, 40 persons participate in a survey. The number of persons that represents the shaded part. Look at the shaded part. The shaded part is 1 over 4 quarter. And all persons are 40. So I'm going to multiply 40 by 4. 1 over 4 times 40 equal, I'm going to put 1 here, 40 over 4 equal 10, so 10 persons participate. Number L, 11 over 2 is equivalent to dots. 11 over 12 is improper fraction. And all of the choices are mixed numbers. So I'm going to convert from improper to mixed number. First, I'm going to put the same denominator, 2, and 11 divided by 2 can't be. Make it smaller. 10. 10 divided 2 equal 5. So the whole number is 5 and the remainder 1. This choice. Complete. The smallest like denominator of 1 over 4 and 3 over 12. First look at the biggest denominator. It's a 12. Is it divisible by 4? Yes, it's divisible by 4. So the smallest common denominator equal 12. And these questions can be found as LCM, the LCM of 1 over 4 and 3 over 12. I'm going to write here 12 because the common denominator or the smallest common denominator is 12. Number B, triangle of angles of measures 30, 60, and 90 is dots angle triangle. It has 90 degree, so the triangle is right angle triangle. Number C, the degree of the shaded part of the circle equal dots. I must say the fraction first. The fraction here is 1 over 6. As we said, the sum of angles around a point equals 360. So we must say 1 over 6 of 360. We can study it or we can multiply by 360 because the sum of circles of angles around a point equals 360. Here 1 means 360 over 6. 36 divided 6, 6 and 0. So it's a 60 degree as we studied. Okay, a square pyramid has dots, triangular faces. Square pyramid has 4 triangular faces. The measure of sector which represent 1 over 4 circle. We studied it's 90. Okay, the volume of cuboid of dimensions 5 cm, 4 cm, and 6 cm equal dots centimeter cube. Volume equal length times width times height, 5 times 4 times 6, 5 times 4, 20, 20 times 6, 120. So it's 120 centimeters cube. The polygon which 3 and 2 over 5 bar regrouping is dots. Regrouping, as we said, the S-bore 1. 3 will be 2, and I'm going to add 5 over 5. It will be 7 over 5. The y coordinate of 3 and 2 is 2. 3 and 1 over 4, 1 over 2 years equal dots years and dots a month. The whole number, I'm going to write it in the years. 1 over 2 of a year. 1 over 2 of 12. I can write it like this. 1 over 2 equal dots over 12. 2 became 12 times 6. So I'm going to times 6 up again. It will be 6 months. Or we can say half a year equal 12 months without steps. The area of rectangle of length 3 and 1 over 2 centimeter and width 2 centimeter equal dots centimeter square. Write the rule. Area of rectangle equal length times width. I'm going to multiply 3 and 1 over 2 times 2. 3 and 1 over 2, I'm going to convert it into fraction. 2 times plus 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. And 2, I'm going to write it as 2 over 1, cross 2 by 2, 7 over 1, equals 7 centimeters square. An equilateral triangle, its sides are 5 and 5 and, of course, 5. Equilateral has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. 3 times 4 and 1 over 2 equal 3 times dots plus 3 times dots. Here the distributive property. 3, I'm going to multiply it by 4 and by half. The first dots I'm going to write 4 and the second dots I'm going to write 1 over 2. 2 and 4 over 5 plus 1 and 3 over 10. Look at the denominator here 5 and 10. The smallest common denominator or smallest like denominator between 10 and 5 is 10. So I'm going to change the first mixed by multiplying by 2 up and down. I'm going to write the example again. 2 and 4 times 2, 8. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 1 and 3 over 10. Whole number plus whole number. 1 plus 2, 3. 10 plus 10, 10. 8 plus 3 after 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11. 3 and 11 over 10. I'm going to write it as a mixed. It's a mixed, I know, but mixed must be whole number and proper fraction in the simplest form. So 10 over 11, I'm going to take from it 10 over 10 and add 1, 4 and 1 over 10. Number H, 5 divided 1 over 2. 5 will be 5 over 1. Divided will change into times. 1 over 2 will be 2 over 1. The reciprocal. Numerator times numerator 10. Denominator times denominator 1. The result is 10. Next. Okay. The origin points is 0 and 0, as we said. The intersection point of x-axis and y-axis. 6 divided h equal 30, so h equal dots. I'm going to write it as divided. 6 divided 30 equal dots. I can write it over each other because divided can be like this. It's so easy. Divided 6, divided 6, 6 divided 6, 1. 30 divided 6 equal 5. The result equal 1 over 5. The number of horizontal layers, count with me, 1, 2, 3. 3 horizontal layers. 3 and 1 over 5 minus b equal 1 and 1 over 5. Here we will subtract 3 and 1 over 5 minus 1 and 1 over 5. Whole number minus whole number and fraction minus fraction. 3 minus 1, 2, and 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5, 0, so it's 2. Plot the points on the coordinate plane. A, 2 and 2. This is A. B, 6 and 2. This is B. C, 6 and 4. Look at this point. 6 and 4. D, 2 and 4. This is D. Connect the points in order with using ruler, of course. And pencil, please. What is the name of the polygon? It's rectangle. The length of AB. Where is AB? Here. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of AB is 4 units. Next. Omnia has 8 over 9 kilogram of beans. She used 3 over 4 of them to make falafel. What is the remainder of beans? Subtract. I'm going to write 8 over 9 minus 3 over 4. 9 and 4. Same denominator. I'm going to find the LCM of 9 and 4. Or you know that LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. I'm going to write it. 9, 3 times 3, circle 3, circle 3. 4, 2 times 2. 9 equal 3 and 3. 4 equal 2 times 2. LCM equal 3 times 3 times 2 times 2. 9, 4, 36. So it's 36 minus 36 times 4 times 4. 32 times 9 times 9. 27. 32 minus 27 after 27. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 5 over 36. Nada has 8 liters of juice. She drinks 1 over 4 liter every day. How many days will she take to finish the juice? It's divided 8 divided 1 over 4. 8 will be 8 over 1. The divided will be times. 1 over 4 will be 4 over 1, the reciprocal of 1 over 4. 8 times 4, 32. 1 times 1, 1. The result is 32 days. Amal studies math for 3.5 hours and English for 90 minutes. How many hours did she study? Here we have hours and minutes. I can't add hours to minutes. We must add hour to hour or minute to a minute. All of us studied that 90 minutes, it means 1.5 hours. So I'm going to add 3.5 plus 1.5, whole number plus whole number, 4 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2, 2 over 2, 4 and 2 over 2 equal 5, so she will study 5 hours. Thank you, Junior 5. Goodbye and good luck in your